Hi everyone, so welcome back to my channel. So today I will be giving you 5 jobs that have more than 12,000 vacancies in India. 5 government jobs, okay? So these are the jobs that still have time to be filled, their forms, and they're really good government jobs. So quickly, let's start with the video. So number 1 is that SSC CGL, that is Staff Selection Commission, Combined Graduate Level Exam of 2026 is coming out with more than 12,000 hosts. So these are the posts under various ministries. And the second is Junior Staff Officer. Okay, so the starting date is 25th of May and it is going till 22nd of June. And the age is from 18 to 32 years. Now the fees required is for general, for OBC and for EWS is just rupees 100. At the same time, the fees for SC, ST and female candidates is there's no fees, so it's zero. No fee. Payment last date is 23rd of June, but the correction window that will be given to you, that will be from 29th of June to 1st of July, right? So the procedure would be, first you will have a computer based test, tier 1 test, then you will have tier 2 test. Now tier 1 test specifically focuses on the general quant, English, all of these things, reasoning. But the tier 2 test focuses on your specific skill that is required from the specific area. So this is basically mainly a quant and English, but a harder version of it. And post that you will have document verification and choice of the positions of the post that you want, and based on your ranking you will be given a post. Okay, and different states are there, different ministries, different states, so you will have to choose in the end after passing the 2 tiers wherever you want to take at that job. So if it is available according to your rank, that will be given to you, and that's it. That will be different state wise, that will be given, right? And there are various grades and pay levels that are given under SSC post recruitment. So one is, the highest is the pay level 8, that starts from around 47,000, that goes around 1,43,000 salary. We have 3 posts in here. One is assistant audit officer, central cadre, then you have assistant audit officer, state cadre, and then you have assistant accounts officer, right? This is grade B. Then you have level 7, which starts from 45,000 to 1,40,000, and that is a group B. Again, there are 15 posts in here, from assistant section officer, inspector of income tax, inspector in various ministries. Okay, all the ministries, basic job that you have start from here. Then level pay is again group B. That's the salary starts from 35,400 and that goes from post to 1,12,000, because basic salary, basic pay is 35, but over and above all the benefits that you have, that might take up to that level. Then posts are there including executive assistant, divisional accountant, and section head also. Then you have pay level 5, that is ranging from 29,000 or approximately 30,000 going to around 1 lakh. So you have 6 posts in this. You have an auditor, you have an accountant. This comes in group C category. Then you have pay level 4, that is from 26,000 around to 81,000. And again you have 6 posts, like you have postal assistant, you have tax assistant, so on and so forth. So you will have a detailed advertisement as well, a video made on this as well in the coming videos. The second job that I have is Rajasthan Public Service Commission has also come up with around 607 posts, that is 607 posts. The RAS exam, that is State Service and State Subordinate Service Examination recruitment. Now here you have your starting date is 4th of June, that and that will go to 3rd of July, 1 month period. The years is from 21 to 40 years maximum age. Relaxation will be given according to each reservation category. For general, fees is around 600, and for STSC it's around 400. Now for correction, if you have any correction, for SSC there is low fees as such, but here you have correction charges of 500 as well. So mind you, whenever you fill in the form, be specific of what you are filling, because if the correction required, you will have to pay extra. Then eligibility is bachelor's degree, just like SSC. In SSC also you need bachelor's degree, that's it. And you have a written exam, then you have an interview, then you have a skill test, and finally document verification and a medical test. The third job that is there is Railway Recruitment Board, Assistant Loco Pilot. You have 11 more than 11,000 jobs in here, and the starting date was 15th of May, but it is still going to 15th of June. So still, if you haven't filled the form, it's quite right time to fill the form. The age is minimum age is 18, region to 30 years, maximum age is 30 years. For general OBC, the fees is 500 rupees. For STSC, it is 250 rupees. And the the position, the vacancy is for unreserved categories around 5,000. For OBC is around 2,600 and EWS is around 1,000. So that's quite a few vacancies there. Eligibility is that you need to pass class 10. And with that, if you have an ITI certificate, that's great. But if other than that, if you have a diploma or a degree in engineering, that will also come handy for here. Then what is the selection process? First, you have a computer-based test 1, then you have a computer-based test 2, then you have a CBAT, that is computer-based aptitude test, and finally document verification and medical verification. The fourth job is Rajasthan Staff Selection Board for computer instructor post, that is around 4,000 posts are there. Start date is 25th of May and the end date is 23rd of June. So you'll have quite some time here to fill the form as well. The age is from 18 minimum to maximum of 40 years. For general OBC, the 600 rupees fees is there. For STSC, it's 400. And again, you will have correction charges here of 300 rupees. So mind you, whenever you fill the form, be careful what are you filling, because if you need to change it, if you need to make correction, you will have to pay a gap and more. Then you have a senior computer instructor here. What the eligibility criteria is: ME or MTech in computer science, IT or electronics engineering, and you need to have knowledge of Rajasthani culture as well. Plus, you need to have understanding on how to write Devanagari scripts, that is Hindi. Basic computer instructor, you need in this post you need to have graduate, any graduate level, or a PGDCA for 1 year. If not that, then a BE or a BTech in computer science. Again, a knowledge of Rajasthani culture as well as Hindi written also you need here. The fifth job that we have is the BSNL Junior Telecom Officer. They have come up with 100 posts. The start date is 4th of June and the end date is 3rd of July. The age is from minimum 30 years, maximum to a minimum of 20 years and maximum of 30 years. For general OBC EWS, 200 rupees, and for STSC 1,000 rupees. Now, eligibility criteria is Bachelors of Engineering or equivalent in telecommunication and electronics, radio, computer or IT. If not this, then MSc in electronics or computer science will also work. Now, the selection process is online CBT exam, that is computer-based test you will have. Then you will have a document verification and finally a medical test. Now, again, a very crisp and a small video that has spoken about 5 jobs that have more than 12,000 vacancies. So I hope that you like this video, and please like, share, subscribe. And if you have any doubt and any understanding, if you want to make me any other video, any other information that you require, please comment in my comment section so that I will make such videos, right? Thank you so much. Please subscribe to my channel.